In today's video, I'm going to show you how to delete recently closed tabs history in Chrome quickly and easily. This is a simple but really useful trick if you want to remove a page from your browsing history after accidentally closing it, or if you just want to keep your Chrome history a little cleaner and more organized. If this video helps, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe for more easy tech tutorials. Alright, let's jump right in. First, open Google Chrome on your computer. Once Chrome is open, look to the top right corner of the browser and click the three dots menu. This is the main menu where you'll find a lot of Chrome settings and history options. After that, hover over History. When you hover over it, Chrome will show you a few history-related options. From there, click Open History page. This will take you directly to your full browsing history where you can see your recently visited and recently closed pages. Now scroll through the list and find the recent closed page that you want to delete. You can look for the specific site, page title, or tab you want removed. Once you've found it, go to the three dots beside that history item. Click those three dots to open the options for that specific entry. Then simply click Delete from History. Chrome will remove that page from your history right away. If you want to delete more recently closed pages, just repeat the same steps for each one. This is a great way to manage your browser history without clearing everything at once. It gives you more control because you can remove only the entries you don't want to keep. Keep in mind that deleting a history item removes it from your Chrome browsing history, but it does not necessarily delete the website itself or affect your files and downloads. It only clears that specific record from your browser history list, and that's it. You've now learned how to delete recently closed tabs history in Chrome. If this tutorial helped you out, please give it a like, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you never miss a helpful tech tip. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.